Hi, today we will introduce a concept of cloud computing. So what exactly is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a computing in which applications such as emails and office suites are hosted on a centralized, remote server, allowing online access to these services. Clients' computers, known as the front end, can access applications from anywhere. On the other hand, the various computers, servers and data storage systems creating the cloud is known all as the back end. We can see how various well-known companies today have implemented cloud computing. Examples include Google Docs, Instagram, Dropbox, Hotmail, and Apple. Cloud computing brings with us a lot of benefits. Firstly, cloud computing shifts the workload of the local computers to the cloud. Before the introduction of cloud computing, users need to manually install programs and applications such as emails, web browsers, and office suites. This will take up a lot of local storage, and over time, these heavy tolls on local computers will slow them down significantly. With cloud computing, users only need to be able to access the cloud computing system's interface software. This, most of the time, can be easily done through the usage of web browsers. This reduces the need to have powerful hardware and constant upgrade, since the cloud's network will take care of the rest. Secondly, cloud computing can help bring hardware costs down. Since servers and digital storage devices take up space, some companies have to rent physical space to store servers and databases. The more the data, the more the space, the higher the cost. Cloud computing allows these companies the option of storing data on someone else's hardware, removing the need for physical space on the front end, saving up the cost. Thirdly, cloud computing increases convenience and productivity. Instead of restricting your work to either your home or your office, cloud computing allows you to access your work and data at anywhere, and at any time. This will undoubtedly increase your productivity since you are now able to access your data and do your work on the go while you are traveling, or even complete your work when you are overseas. Lastly, cloud computing allows you to take advantage of entire networks' processing power. Often, scientists and researchers work with calculations so complex that it would take years for individual computers to complete them. On a grid cloud computing system, the users could send the calculation to the cloud for processing. The cloud system would tap into the processing power of all available computers on the back end. This will significantly increase the speed of the calculations, lightening up the load on the user's computer. Despite its benefits, cloud computing does have its drawbacks. In cloud computing, most of our data are stored in the cloud. This has raised the concerns over the safety and privacy of our data, since our data can be susceptible to attacks from anonymous hackers. Nonetheless, we can take measures to increase the security of our data by using passwords. Furthermore, hosting companies are using encryption to make sure that even though hackers have access to the data, they are not able to decrypt them. In the future, cloud computing is moving towards autonomic computing, which is a self-managing system that monitors itself and takes measures to prevent or repair problems. With this, we hope you understand and know more about cloud computing, and thank you for your attention.